Hey guys, it's me, Nate, with Evans Family Woodworking. Hey, today we're going to take a quick look at how to make a homemade welcome sign using fence panels. You can find fence panels at your local hardware store. They're usually about 6 foot tall. You can also get them in a 4 foot section too. But we actually got these. We had a really bad storm called a derecho a few weeks ago, and it tore up a whole bunch of neighborhood trees and fences and things like that. And one of our neighbors down the road lost a whole bunch of his fence and decided to replace it, and was just was going to throw away all these fence panels. So we decided that we would see what we could do to make a few signs to give away and sell too. Let's take a look and see what they look like and how we did it. So first thing first is we took the panels and we sanded them down, as you can see, and then we chopped up some of the broken panels and used them as supports on the back. We used wood glue and then some brad nails to keep them together. Some of the panels link up better than others, so sometimes there's a little bit of a gap in between, but just like a regular fence, that happens too. So customers seem to really like them. So that's what they would look like on the back. Then what we would do is just simply paint them one color or another. We use like a burgundy. One of our local schools has a burgundy or maroon color. We also use just the panels themselves without anything else, and just painted welcome, and then just added a little color to them here and there. All right, and then we just varied our different colors in some of our artwork using paint pens and brushes. So we were able to go down to our local Michael's and purchase the stencils. They are like a card stock, and you get just the regular alphabet. They're about 7-inch stencil. The package is about $22 here in the Midwest, but if you sign up for a Michael's account, you can get regular coupons, and usually they're pretty good. They're anywhere from 20 to 50% off. And so if you catch it with a 40% off coupon or 50% off coupon, you can get those really cheap. They last quite a while. I add a little painter's tape to mine to try to make them a little sturdier for any paint bleeds or messes that I make. On the lettering, if you use stencil, sometimes you're gonna have paint bleeds. Even if you use vinyl, you'll still have paint bleeds sometimes. But what we do is we go back with the same base color, like the red that's behind me. We go back and use that color to straighten up any of the paint bleeds and hide those as best we can, so that it looks a little straighter and a little nicer up front. So the nice thing about the paneling, the fence panels, is that it gives it kind of a rustic look without having to fake the rustic look. Sometimes when you buy a board and you have to do a lot of things to it to make it look older, and where if you're using used fence panel, or even the fence panel that's been sitting outside of your lumberyard for a while, you can just use it just the way it is, and it already looks like it's old, because it is. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe. We do this to serve God and to show the skills and talents that we're developing as a family in our business. This is my family's side business. This is not our main business. I am a teacher by trade, and so we're learning and growing, and we just wanted to share with you. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Have a great day.